Okay, everybody. We're going to do some fun stuff here. We're going to look and see how this Operation Shrek Edition is going to work, which I thought was really neat. I bought this at a garage sale. As you can see, Shrek's on the table. Ages 6+. So this should be fun. I really think this is cute. So no, I haven't went through this whole thing yet. I just got it at a garage sale. So we're going to play Operation. And we're just going to make up the rules as I go, because I really, let's see. I think you're supposed to like do something with these cards and then something with the money, but I just like this part. Basically, you're not supposed to hit the side. You're supposed to like get his, what is that, frog in the throat. Oh, I didn't mean that. See, I'm gonna try to. Ooh. Oh. Oh yeah. See, I'm not. Oh. See, yeah. Not going well. Okay, well, we'll just get something a little easier. So the thumb. Man, his hands are... Oh! Shrek. Slugs and grubs. Let's get some of those. Ooh. What's this thing? Oh, let's get mud flaps. Oh. Alright, let's not get that. This should be easy. This humongous fungus. Looks like a mushroom to me. Hold on a second here. Alright, Shrek. Man, I'm breaking sweat down here. Huh. So he's alright, he's still ticking. Let's get some leverage going here. Ooh. Oh, it's backwards, maybe. Hang into it, baby! Oh. Okay, this is just personal now. Oh. It's like the... Come on now. Dang it. Shoot. Ah. Oh man. Shit. Ah. Dang it, this is personal. Sorry, Shrek, I'm just done. I don't even care anymore. I just want this mushroom. Okay, well, let's put that back. That was so stressful. Oh, did you see how his nose? Isn't that cute? Oh, let's see what his earwax looks like. Woo! Woo! Okay, one of those. Right on your face. This is onion breath. I had that yesterday. My mama made me some hot dogs and they were good. And I had a little bit of onion breath. Nobody said anything. Because there was nobody. Anyways, that's Shrek. You're supposed to like do something with this stuff and have a few other people play with you. And basically it only takes 2 AA batteries, which are not included, but obviously they are. See, in the back, this is such a cute little game. See, I'll just put the batteries in there. Then you put it back in the box and you're done. And you need batteries, you know. This is the Shrek edition. Oh, let me show you real quick because I'm very anal about this. Look at this. I got 2 dated 1965 Operation games. So I got 3. The Shrek. So these, they both are dated 1965, but this top one I think is older. But anyways, look how, if you've never seen this game before, now these don't work. This one has some old ones, but see, he's got a few things. Look at his heart, and then there's a wishbone. There's no wishbone. Yeah, so that's really neat. I love that game. I used to get so stressed out. I remember my nerve would just twitch. But anyways, that's some fun stuff. That's